Okay, so in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the interaction of looks and charisma. So again, we've got attractive, unattractive, and average, and then we've got charisma, we've got high charisma, dullard, and some charisma, and we're going to determine whether or not there's a significant interaction between those. So looking up here, we've got a significant interaction. And down here we've got a significant interaction, and here we've got a significant interaction, and this one here is not significant. Okay, so I think what's going to help is if we go to our graph. All right, and so this gives us some information, right? So we've got the green line representing the charisma of being a dullard, the blue line representing some charisma, and the orange line representing high charisma. And then we've got attractive, average, and unattractiveness, and this is our rating. So there's a significant difference here between a person who was attractive and was a dullard on their charisma, so their ratings were lower than those who were attractive and had high and some charisma. And we see differences here between the person who was average attractiveness, had dullard charisma, some charisma, and high charisma. And then here, there's probably not a significant difference here, all right, between unattractive, dullard, and some charisma, and high charisma. So the important thing to be thinking here is, how do you interpret these results? So I could say, okay, this person who is attractive and is a dullard scored lower than a person who was attractive and had some and high charisma. All right, so there's a lot of sentences and a lot of interpretation when it comes to looking at some of these interactions. So here you can also look at the interaction. So a person who was attractive and had high charisma had an average rating of 88.9. All right, so here your means give you some information on your interpretation.